Representative Matt Erpelding, District 19.
And kind of an eye-opening experience out here. What was it like riding on these combines?
Well, probably the biggest thing is the amount of money it costs to have one of these combines, and then on top of that, how many bushels of wheat they can move in an hour. I mean, it is astronomical. It blows my mind how much raw product moves out of the field that's 20 acres.
And you know, you represent an urban district. Will this give you maybe a better understanding of, you know, when some of this farm legislation pops up, what these guys are up against?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's one thing that you can't argue, and that is that farming communities in Idaho work hard for their living, and urban communities probably are a little bit distant